Hello and welcome to Spotless Spaces, the podcast where we deep clean your knowledge about maintaining a hygienic and healthy home. I'm your host, Smitha Sahu, owner of CleanNow Dubai, your trusted ally in home cleanliness. Today we are talking about a subject that is often overlooked but is especially relevant to us living in Dubai. We are diving deep into the hidden world of dust mites on your mattress. Joining me to navigate this unseen terrain is Dr. Anil Patel, a renowned allergist and immunologist. Welcome, Dr. Patel.
Thank you, Smitha. It's great to be here.
Let's dive straight in. Can you explain to our listeners what dust mites are and why they pose a threat to our health?
Absolutely, Smitha. Dust mites are microscopic creatures that thrive in warm, humid environments like our beds. They feed on human skin flakes and can multiply rapidly. The problem arises because many people are allergic to dust mite droppings. These allergies can manifest as sneezing, itching, watery eyes, and even asthma in more severe cases.
That's very insightful. Considering we spend a significant part of our life sleeping, how does a regular mattress cleaning routine help manage these allergens?
Regular mattress cleaning is crucial. It helps minimize the dust mite population by removing the skin flakes that serve as their food source. This can significantly decrease allergen levels and help those suffering from allergies to sleep more comfortably.
Considering the dust levels in a city like Dubai, how frequently would you recommend mattress cleaning?
In a city like Dubai, where dust can easily accumulate, I would recommend professional mattress cleaning at least twice a year. However, it's also important to regularly vacuum your mattress, say once every fortnight, to reduce dust mite populations.
For our listeners who like to take matters into their own hands, are there any immediate tips for maintaining a clean mattress?
Of course. Firstly, use allergen-proof bed covers. Wash your bedding in hot water every week and consider using a dehumidifier to keep humidity levels low in your bedroom.
Those are useful tips. Now, when should one consider getting a professional cleaning service like CleanNow Dubai?
Professional mattress cleaning is recommended at least twice a year, as I said before. However, if you or your family members are experiencing increased allergy symptoms, it could be a sign that you need a professional cleaning service immediately. They can deep clean your mattress, something that can't be achieved with home cleaning methods.
Dr. Patel, your insights have been eye-opening. We hope our listeners will now give mattress cleaning the attention it deserves. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me, Smitha. Here's to cleaner, healthier homes.
That's all for today's episode, folks. Remember, a clean home is a healthy home. Stay tuned for more cleaning insights on Spotless Spaces. Until then, keep it clean, Dubai.